what's that for? What is that for? Yo, Jake, what is this for? Tell me what it's for.
Explain to you once you comply.
What the fuck is this? Are you shit?
On the 4th of August 2024, Fort Myers PD responded to a trespass call at Hooters. A warrant check changed everything and raised serious constitutional questions.
Could be better.
I know. Guy right there. The white guy.
Okay. So what's going on? What do you guys
He
want?
was here last week. He was running his mouth. Me, a bunch of other customers. I asked him to leave numerous times.
Yeah.
And he said he wasn't going anywhere. So I said, well, fine, I'll call you guys. And you'll leave.
You guys want to trespass?
Yeah. And he goes, well, I like talking to the police. I said, okay. And as soon as I went inside, I called the police and ran out of here. So they came back here today and acted like we're buddies. I'm like, I'm just not going to deal with this ass one.
Go. How's it going, man?
Good. How you doing? Hey.
All right. Do you have an ID on you or
Talk to
anything? Oh, talk to you. Do you have an ID on you or anything?
For what?
They want you out of here.
Who said that?
They want you to trespass. Manager.
Huh? Good. All right, well, we'll leave.
Oh, we're gonna trespass you before you leave. So where's your ID?
What's going on?
Hey, don't talk to him. You don't need to talk to him. You don't need to talk to him.
I thought we were good.
You don't need to talk to him.
I thought we were good.
Either you're gonna walk out or we're gonna drag you out of here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You're a fucking skank, bro. Yeah. What a fucking douchebag. You're a bitch, bro.
Just write down his shit. All right, come on.
I said you're a bitch.
Hey. Oh, I'm gonna take him out. You're not a problem. You're good. We're gonna have to take him out because now he's causing a scene. You right with him?
You're a bitch, bro.
Hey, let's go.
No, it's not. It's really not.
Can you grab this credit card for him?
I got it.
Cause a breach.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Don't cause a breach, or you're gonna go to jail instead.
I'm not doing anything, man. I'm gonna
stop talking.
I'm gonna get my. I'm not
Stop.
talking to him anymore.
All right.
I'm not. Brito, I'm not talking to him.
All right.
I just had to let him know that he should.
Okay, and I'm letting you know now. If you keep causing a breach, you're gonna go to jail. Causing a scene.
We're good.
All right then. Pay your tab.
Thank you, darling.
Yeah, do all that in the car when you're away from here. Definitely don't recommend you drive here.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why? I've had two whiskeys. Do you want me to do a breathalyzer?
No, you're good. I'm not here for that.
All right. Look how proud he looks.
It doesn't matter. We're getting out of here.
He's such an embarrassment. You can't say that. No, I can't. You're a problem.
Under Florida Statute Section 810.09, a property manager, not just the owner, may authorize a lawful trespass. Officers correctly identified the manager as an authorized agent of the property. The trespass was legally valid. The subject's profane speech toward the manager is protected under the First Amendment. Cohen v. California, 1971. Florida Statute Section 877.03 requires conduct that corrupts public morals, not merely offensive language. The breach of peace warning issued here overstated the legal threshold. No arrest was made. Appropriate outcome.
Don't forget your charger. Hello.
Yes.
I'm running one second.
Sweet.
Oh, man.
All right. Service ID.
You know what the crazy thing is? Is we were cool when I came in. He knew it was me, so I don't know what happened. Like his panties must have like crawled way up his ass. I don't know.
Doesn't matter what happened. He just wants you trespass, and you will be trespassed. Okay. The manager of the business.
He's a manager. He's not
As a business manager, he doesn't need a.
He's not the owner.
I'm not gonna argue with you. He doesn't need a reason to trespass.
Me too. Weren't we good?
Let's go over fire car real quick.
What? 10:15. Your car or my car? Huh?
Whichever one's drier.
Here, just come up here.
Yeah, whatever. Serve me the trespass.
A warrant hit returned on the subject's driver's license, illegal possession of a firearm, a second-degree felony under Section 790.23. Under Arizona v. Evans, 1995, good faith reliance on a database warrant entry satisfies the Fourth Amendment. Herring v. United States, 2009, extended this. Even a negligent database error does not require suppression if officers acted in good faith. Officers are compelled to execute a confirmed warrant. Florida Rule of Criminal Procedure 3.121 grants no officer-level discretion to release. The two-step confirmation protocol database HIT, then fingerprint verification at jail, is constitutional best practice post-Herring. The subject's denial, however credible, cannot override a confirmed warrant. Innocence is a matter for the court, not the arrest scene. Use of handcuffs on a confirmed felony warrant is objectively reasonable under Graham v. Connor. 1988. Miranda warnings are required before custodial interrogation, not upon arrest alone. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. No violation here. The racial bias allegation was noted. No evidentiary basis appears in the footage. The arrest was predicated on a pre-existing warrant, not race. Equal protection under the 14th Amendment requires discriminatory intent. Footage alone is insufficient to establish that threshold.
Whoa. What's that for? What is that for? Yo, Jake. What is this for? Tell me what it's for.
Explain
I'll
to you
tell
what
you in a moment.
What the fuck is this?
Okay.
Are you shit?
We'll explain everything now.
It's because I'm black.
It's because you're black. I told you. No,
Definitely.
I'm black. You a nigga. I told your ass. You don't listen.
I should straighten up.
I told you.
Like, this is ridiculous.
Do you have gloves on you?
Have what?
Careful. Cash has to come with you, okay?
Whatever.
Right, I can give the wallet to him,
Yeah.
but the cash has to come with you, okay?
Babe's not gonna be able to go with you as well.
Well, let me hit it real quick then.
No.
What?
You can't do that, sorry.
That's what I'm doing.
No, just because you're opposed to him doesn't mean shit.
You can't use it, sorry.
Okay.
Well, you gotta tell me real quick what I'm getting arrested for.
You explain to you, she's the one that...
No, before I get in the car.
20, 50, plus your check. Okay.
You explain. Okay, we're not gonna arrest you for no reason.
Well, obviously there's no reason. There is. No, there's not.
What do you have?
That's what my dispatchers told me.
I know he's going, like, he does have a case right now. I mean, he has been going to court and everything.
I'm going to double check everything before we leave or anything. Yeah, has to be confirmed. So we're not going to go anywhere just in case, you know, it could be mixed up in the paperwork, could be a lot of things. However, this is just...
And, like, please, like, because I know y'all job and everything. He does, and, like, please, like, because I know y'all job and everything. He does, like, he only had a couple of drinks, but he does turn into a dickhead. Please do not hold anything. Like,
None of that's going to be held against him. Like I said, like she explained to you, the main reason he's arrested right now is because we ran his driver's license. And whatever's connected to his driver's license, somehow, some reason, a warrant came through.
Is it like Cape Coral, Fort Myers?
We don't know. That's why she's going to get in that car and confirm it before anything else. And once they yeah, go ahead. Once it confirms, if it's a confirm hit, we got to take him to the jail, okay?
All right, let me know. I'm going to call Steve, our lawyer.
Yeah, go ahead.
Gotcha. Yeah. Hey, partner, Sergeant Lasapio, how are you?
Good.
Try to keep the rain off you, all right?
No worries. There's never been a charge like this brought against me. I don't know what I'm getting detained for right now.
What do you utter the understanding of a charge being a charge?
So apparently
There's a warrant for you?
An illegal possession of a firearm. I don't own any firearms. I've never been stopped with a firearm. I've never been caught with a firearm. I've never been served any sort of charge for a firearm.
Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah.
She gave it to you?
It's in my wallet. Oh, okay. Shit. I gave my wallet to my friend for safekeeping, but he's still here. You have ID?
Okay. All right.
Yeah, please run this and find out what's...
So we ran it. It's confirmed.
Yeah, but I need a date and time and specific and what kind of charges, because
she'll find that at the jail. So she'll do a secondary confirmation at the jail.
So I still have to be brought in because of some stuff?
We're brought in to do the verification because they'll print you.
Yeah, fine.
Right?
Yeah.
And that'll go a further confirmation process through the printing process to make sure you are one and the same.
Okay.
Because we don't want to mess that up either.
Yeah.
And then once they confirm it there, then we'll go from there. If not, she'll bring you right back here.
Okay.
Well, maybe not right back here because I don't know if they want you here. But
they trespass me. The manager here's a prick. My work truck is here. My employee is here waiting. He's gonna drive it back to my house.
Okay.
So don't bring me back here. But,
Gotcha.
Yeah, whatever the fuck is going on, man, it's something that I have not
So, she's bringing it to the county facility.
Okay.
They'll verify that it's a county. It's a this county warrant. Yeah, it's a this county warrant, so they'll be able to verify it because they're not going to want you if you're the wrong person too.
Yeah.
So they're going to
It's
go.
pretty hard to get my name wrong.
Okay, it's a pretty unique last name then.
Yeah.
All right. You know of anybody else that would use your name or share your name?
No.
All right. So my commitment to you is we'll double verify it. If we double verify it, there's nothing we can
I
do.
have a business to run, employees that depend on me, man. And I can't be locked up over the fucking weekend, dude.
Okay. Well, I mean, if it's a warrant, we're compelled to by a judge to take action. It's not like we have flexibility in it. It's the warrant wording is compelling us.
I know. It's like
So-
what, like I'm promising you, all of this is fucking bogus. So what happens there? Like what about my time? Like that's being.
We'll worry
robbed from me,
about
right?
that when the time comes. We'll worry about. We have information. We have reliable information that you have a warrant.
It's not
We
reliable.
have.
The warrant might be. Yes, I got it. All right,
You know what I'm saying?
I got it.
I don't know what brought us here. All I can
Yep,
tell you is
yep.
what we're
Okay,
doing right now.
okay.
So
Yep, I
my
got it.
commitment to you, if we're wrong, we'll take you wherever you need to be. Okay. All right, partner. All right. Well, I'll let you know. Okay.
All right, thanks, man.
That's exactly our scope of work is.
Hey,
once
partner,
we
how's it
see
going?
it, we have to act on it.
I'm just an employee and roommate.
Okay. You're gonna take care of his truck and stuff.
Yeah, I got you.
So I was telling him he's showing it as a warrant. It's confirmed. We're confirming warrant with his DL and stuff. Where this is coming from, we'll confirm more at the jail. So we'll do the fingerprint process. We'll make sure those jive. If it doesn't, then we'll bring him back. We'll bring him back to wherever he needs to go. We'll call you. Do we have your number?
Yes, sir.
Grades: Primary Officer B+. Legal execution was accurate. Breach of peace advisory slightly overstated. Secondary Officer B. Warrant process explained correctly. More warrant detail could have been disclosed. Subject: B+, physically compliant. Articulate denial. Verbal conduct during trespass phase was counterproductive. Manager C+. Trespass was legally authorized. Continued provocation in front of officers was unprofessional. Key takeaways: know your rights. Profanity toward police is protected speech. Exercising it wisely is a separate question. Warrant database errors are a documented systemic problem. Fingerprint confirmation at booking is your procedural safeguard. Once a warrant is confirmed, officers have no legal flexibility. Challenging a bad warrant belongs in court, not on the street. If detained on a warrant you dispute, comply, stay silent, call your attorney. Resistance creates new charges. The courtroom is your remedy. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.